At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and platform, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. The ever-evolving healthcare landscape demands a diverse range of skilled nursing professionals. Nurses play a pivotal role in ensuring patient well-being, and nursing specialties allow them to delve deeper into specific care areas. By focusing on a particular field, nurses can develop advanced knowledge, refine their skills, and become true experts in their chosen domain. This specialization benefits nurses by fostering career growth and professional fulfillment, and optimizes patient care by providing highly qualified individuals dedicated to specific healthcare needs. With a deeper understanding of your ideal nursing career path, let's delve into the exciting world of popular nursing specialties. Adult gerontology nurse practitioners. AGNPs provide primary care services to adult and geriatric populations, managing chronic conditions, performing physical examinations, and ordering diagnostic tests. They often work in clinics, hospitals, and long-term care facilities. Critical care nurse. These nurses work in intensive care units, caring for critically ill patients, requiring constant monitoring and life support. Critical care nurses possess advanced skills in critical thinking, emergency response, and complex medical procedures. Emergency room nurse. ER nurses thrive in fast-paced environments, providing initial assessment and stabilization for patients with various medical emergencies. Family nurse practitioner. FNPs offer comprehensive primary care services to individuals and families of all ages. They diagnose and treat various illnesses, manage chronic conditions, and provide preventative care. FNPs often work in family practice clinics, urgent care centers, and community health settings. Labor and delivery nurses. These nurses play a vital role in childbirth, supporting mothers before, during, and after delivery. Neonatal intensive care unit nurse. NICU nurses provide specialized care for premature and critically ill newborns. They require high technical expertise in operating specialized equipment and delivering compassionate care to fragile infants. Nurse midwife. Nurse midwives work alongside physicians to provide comprehensive care for women throughout pregnancy, childbirth, and postpartum. Nurse anesthetist. Nurse anesthetists are advanced practice nurses who administer anesthesia for surgeries and medical procedures. Operating room nurse. Also known as surgical nurses, operating room nurses work alongside surgeons in operating rooms, ensuring sterile environments, preparing instruments, and assisting with surgical procedures. Pediatric nurse. These nurses specialize in caring for children from infancy to adolescence. They address various health needs and settings, including hospitals, clinics, and schools. Psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner. PMHNMPs diagnose and treat mental health conditions across the lifespan. They provide therapy, prescribe medication, and manage chronic mental health issues. Public health nurse. Public health nurses are vital in promoting community health and preventing disease outbreaks. They collaborate with public health agencies, providing education, immunizations, screenings, and resources to promote healthy living habits within communities. To learn more about nursing specialties, go to our Carepatron website or click on the link in the description. We have a range of guides and articles to help you learn more about different therapy techniques to incorporate into your practice. Carepatron is a healthcare platform designed for you. Signing up is free, just click on the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more content like this.